The Toyota CHR has made a significant impact in the automotive market, especially noted for its unique and eye-catching design that debuted in 2016. This distinctiveness helped revitalize Toyota's brand image, infusing it with a dose of flair and modernity. The vehicle stood out not just for its looks but also for Toyota's commitment to safety, a tradition that continues with the second-generation model. The latest iteration of the Toyota CHR brings enhancements in both technology and interior space, albeit with a higher price tag than its predecessor. Despite this increase in cost, Toyota has not wavered in its prioritization of safety features, as demonstrated by the car's achievement of a 5-star rating from Euro NCAP. This consistency in safety excellence is a continuation of the accolade first awarded to the original model when it was tested in 2017. A standout feature in the Toyota CHR is its autonomous emergency braking system, which has garnered high praise for its performance across almost all testing scenarios. This system's effectiveness is a testament to Toyota's investment in and development of safety technologies that not only protect the occupants, but also contribute to broader road safety. Additionally, the CHR comes equipped with a standard-fit driver monitoring system. This system indirectly assesses the driver's alertness through steering inputs and lane positioning, an approach aimed at detecting and mitigating drowsy driving risks. For those seeking even more advanced safety features, Toyota offers an optional direct eye monitoring device, although this particular option was not included in the Euro NCAP's test vehicle. Toyota's dedication to safety, combined with the CHR's bold design and improved technological offerings, underscores the manufacturer's commitment to delivering vehicles that are not only visually appealing, but also secure and reliable. The CHR exemplifies how Toyota continues to prioritize the well-being of its customers, reinforcing its reputation as a brand that does not compromise on safety.